If you're experiencing controller drift in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller is properly connected to your device. Go to the settings menu of your gaming platform and verify that the controller is recognized and functioning correctly. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Access the calibration settings for your controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the joystick. This process helps to reset any misalignment that may be causing drift. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In Baldur's Gate 3, navigate to the controller settings within the game. Look for the dead zone settings and increase the dead zone value. This adjustment can help mitigate minor drift issues by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Visit the manufacturer's website or use the companion app to download and install the latest updates, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the drift persists, try using a different controller to see if the issue is hardware related. If the new controller works without drift, consider repairing or replacing the original controller. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Baldur's Gate 3 effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.